Hi guys. I just wanted to send a video about using Microsoft Teams because it has a chat function. And Debbie uses it with the other admins, and I thought that this would be a great way to just like, if you need to send me a quick message and didn't it just doesn't require a whole email just because my email inbox, like yours, are about to really get full. So this way we can chat with each other. You can just chat with me. Debbie has been using it for a while, and we don't like quite know the full extent to like what you can do, but I wanted to show you what it looked like. So you'll get an email. Most likely, this is what my email said. It said, Deb DeWitt is trying to reach you in Microsoft Teams. It'll probably say Audrey Bartholomew because I'm going to go ahead and try and chat with you. So that should kick off the email. So when you click on open Microsoft Teams, it does take you to like, download this. So you want to download the Windows app or the app for PC, I forget. But just go ahead. It's really easy. It's very intuitive to install it on your computer. And then when it actually loads, this is the chat where you'll see a message from me to you. So you can just go down to the bottom of the screen and send a response there. If you send me a message and it's closed, what happens is I get a little notification down here. So feel free to send me a message back to try it out. This in addition to, you can always text me, call me, whatever, but I just wanted to send this along as we are sort of like, starting to get into this online groove. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Let me know if you need anything.